Welcome to Explaining, Adapting, and Safeguarding AI, Research Frontiers in 2025. In this episode, we synthesize insights from 30 of the most impactful papers in artificial intelligence published in July 2025. Explore how modern AI models are redefining explanation, adaptation, collaboration, and safety, highlighted by breakthroughs like MedGemma. Join AI Frontiers as we guide you through the latest research. Did you know that artificial intelligence systems can now generate explanations for their own decisions, even offering suggestions on what might have changed an outcome? For example, a medical AI might indicate, if the patient's heart rate were lower, the risk prediction would differ. This is not speculative. It is the subject of current, leading-edge research. Consider a city intersection with malfunctioning traffic lights. AI has the potential to observe, learn from subtle behavioral cues, and coordinate safe passage even in unfamiliar situations. Recent research directly addresses these challenges, enabling AI systems to learn, reason, and explain in innovative and unprecedented ways. Artificial intelligence now touches nearly every sector, from healthcare and transportation to education and scientific discovery. Researchers are increasingly prioritizing transparency, trustworthiness, and adaptability in AI systems. In this episode, 30 pivotal papers from the July 2025 Computer Science Artificial Intelligence category are distilled into accessible key stories. These narratives address both the breakthroughs and ongoing challenges in the field, inviting listeners to reflect on AI's evolving role and consider how these advances could shape their own worlds. Visualize artificial intelligence research as a city that never sleeps, with specialized neighborhoods dedicated to learning algorithms, natural language processing, robotics, and complex reasoning. At the center is the cs.AI district, where these domains converge and interdisciplinary collaboration thrives. Here, researchers grapple with foundational questions. How can AI systems reason on their uncertainty, adapt to novel situations, and operate safely? Today, AI is deployed in clinics, on city streets, in classrooms, and inside research laboratories. Much like a city, this field must prioritize safety, transparency, and fairness to truly serve society. The first major theme is explainability. Effective AI systems must be able to articulate the reasoning behind their decisions, much like a chef who shares the recipe for a dish. The SenseCF project, for example, enables large language models to generate counterfactual explanations, alternative scenarios that clarify why particular predictions were made. In healthcare, these counterfactuals help professionals understand which minimal changes could have led to different outcomes, thereby building trust and providing actionable insights for users. Robustness is essential for AI systems expected to operate in the unpredictable real world. These models face distribution shifts or scenarios they have not previously encountered. The Marble framework exemplifies this approach by employing a panel of specialized agents to predict rare and critical events, substantially improving accuracy and accident severity prediction. Rule-based methods such as knowledge graph reasoning are also employed to capture underlying logic rather than relying solely on data patterns. Robustness is thus critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of AI deployments, analogous to forecasting storms in unfamiliar cities. Another key trend is multimodal and collaborative intelligence. Multimodal AI, as seen in the MedGemma project, integrates text, images, and other data types to achieve richer, more flexible intelligence. Collaboration is increasingly emphasized, with AI systems acting as adaptive partners alongside humans. For instance, multi-LLM workflows are now capable of teaching procedural skills at scale, and in medical settings, AI models that combine chest X-rays with patient histories demonstrate improved diagnostic accuracy. These advances enable AI to function as an orchestra conductor, blending diverse skills and working seamlessly with human counterparts. This month's research yielded several notable breakthroughs. The SenseCF project demonstrated that large language models can generate highly realistic counterfactuals, which not only clarify predictions but also improve model performance by serving as synthetic training data. The Marble framework nearly doubled the predictive accuracy for rare, high-severity events by leveraging a panel of expert agents. MedGemma introduced a family of medical foundation models that rival domain specialists, providing both adaptability and transparency. Security vulnerabilities were highlighted in the Trojan Horse Prompting study, which exposed how attackers might bypass conversational AI safeguards by forging dialogue history. Finally, CHIPSEEK-R1 showcased reinforcement learning's potential by outperforming human engineers in hardware design optimization tasks. Today's focus paper is MedGemma, led by Seligren and colleagues. The motivation behind MedGemma addresses a critical need for versatile, privacy-preserving medical AI systems that can be deployed in clinical environments. The vision was to create models capable of interpreting both medical images and text across multiple domains, offering adaptability, transparency, and broad clinical utility. The MedGemma family is based on the Gemma 3 architecture, ranging from 4 to 27 billion parameters. Its open-source release is intended to foster trust and reproducibility, setting a new standard for transparency in medical AI. The Gemma's technical approach centered on training with vast, diverse clinical datasets. A pivotal component is the MedSig-LIP vision encoder, specifically tuned for medical imaging tasks. The framework tackled a range of data types, including chest X-rays, electronic health records, and histopathology, using a unified model family. Evaluation involved challenging out-of-distribution questions and complex reasoning workflows, demonstrating the system's generalizability. The hierarchical model design further enhances adaptability, enabling MedGemma to flexibly address diverse medical challenges. The MedGemma project achieved significant results, shifting the paradigm for healthcare AI. The models consistently outperformed similar-sized generative counterparts on a variety of medical tasks, including a 15% increase in accuracy for chest X-ray interpretation and a 50% reduction in electronic health record retrieval errors. The MedSig-LIP encoder rivaled or exceeded the performance of specialized domain-specific image encoders. By openly releasing source code and model weights, the team encourages global clinical adoption and paves the way for more adaptable and trustworthy foundation models in healthcare. Looking forward, the future of AI research resembles an open marketplace of ideas and innovation. Foundation models will become more context-aware, learning not just from data but from feedback and self-explanation. Hybrid approaches that blend data-driven learning with symbolic reasoning and modular architectures are anticipated to define the next generation of interpretable and robust AI. Reinforcement learning will be applied to increasingly complex control and design tasks, from optimizing renewable energy grids to drug discovery. Security, transparency, and auditability will be fundamental features of AI systems. The movement toward open science will democratize progress, enabling ideas to cross-pollinate freely and accelerate the pace of discovery. In summary, artificial intelligence is evolving to explain, adapt, and collaborate in ways previously thought impossible. Research advances such as SenseCF, Marble, and MedGemma demonstrate new frontiers in explainability, robustness, and multimodal capability. The central themes of trust, transparency, and safety are now integral to AI development. Listeners are encouraged to engage with this research, read the papers, question assumptions, and participate in the broader conversation. The journey of AI is only beginning, and your involvement shapes its future. This synthesis was produced through a collaborative process combining advanced AI tools and human expertise. Paper analysis and summarization were conducted using the GPT 4.1 model from OpenAI. Text-to-speech narration utilized Deepgram technology, while slide visuals were described and prototyped with Stable Diffusion. All content was reviewed by a human expert for accuracy and clarity. References are provided, and while every effort was made to ensure precision, some oversights may remain. Listener feedback is both valued and encouraged. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by Archive Preprint Server.